up and running. Today's something. We don't know what it is. We're continuing. We're somewhere in the year. Day 80. Today is day 80 of the year of streaming and learning to code, where we don't prepare and we just jump off the cliff and hope for the best, right? Putting all our faith in gravity just to pull us down. Yeah, so 56% of the way through JavaScript. We are halfway through section 5. We were able to knock out more on control flow in JavaScript, and we took a peek at Code Your Own Adventure 2, the sequel everyone has been waiting for decades now. No one even knows this activity is here. So yeah, let's do that. I'm pretty sure, I get the feeling this might take a while. If making this game goes, I don't know, what's a good word? Remarkably quick? We'll stick with that. It takes a very small amount of time, then we will we'll tackle arrays and objects in JavaScript in the beginning of section 6. But I've got a hunch that Code Your Own Adventure 2 will be hellish nightmare. Unfortunate. One of those. We're going to try and make it as fun as possible, though. Isn't that right, little kitty? She's already napping in my lap. Okay. What are we building? We've only got 6 sections. Don't let them fool you. See all this noise? Yeah, that's us. This is our future. Okay. Everything's good, right? We got the webcam, we've got the mic, and we have a cat. Webcam, Codecademy, little kitty, and mic audio. Perfect. We are golden. Golden. Okay, Code Your Own Adventure 2. What you'll be building. We told you this was just the beginning of our game. No, was there an epic in there? I'm envisioning things. I'm seeing words that aren't there. Is that a condition? You should look into that. We told you this was just the beginning of our game empire. Now that you know more about JavaScript, you'll be able to create a much richer choose-your-own-adventure game. Instructions. Play through the game in the editor a couple times. Neat, right? Head on to the next section when you're ready to start building your own. Let's see what happens. Should we read through? We'll just see. You know what? We aren't going to read through the code. We're just going to pull the trigger, see what happens. We are prompted. I know you can't see it, but, you know, you're here to use your imagination. So, all right. You're walking through the forest. Damn, do we should read through the code. We've read through the code every other time. I don't know why we wouldn't now. Restart. Cancel this. Ah, God, don't listen to them. Close. Okay, we're back. Pretend none of that happened. Now we're moving on. Okay. Variable, troll, prompt. You're walking through the forest, minding your own business, and you run into a troll. Do you fight, pay, or run? 2 uppercase. Switch, troll, case, fight, variable, strong, prompt, how courageous. Are you strong, yes or no? Dot 2 uppercase, variable, smart, prompt, are you smart? If strong, yes, and if smart, yes. You only need one of the 2. You beat the troll. Nice work. Else, console, you're not strong or smart. Well, if you were smart, you probably wouldn't have tried to fight a troll. You lose. Break. Case, pay, variable, money, prompt. All right, we'll pay the troll. Do you have any money? Yes or no? dot to uppercase, variable, dollars, prompt, is your money in troll dollars? Dot to uppercase, if money, yes, and dollars, yes, great, you pay the troll, continue on your merry way. Else, console log, dang, this troll only takes troll dollars. You get whomped. This troll, jackass. Case, run. Variable, fast, prompt, let's book it. Are you fast, yes or no? Dot to uppercase, variable, head start, prompt. Did you get a head start? Dot to uppercase. Okay, so apparently this is a thing. The dot to uppercase, I'm assuming it's ensuring that the answers are submitted in capital letters only, even if you type in lowercase. Who knows? Variable, prompt, did you head to this? Did you get a head start? If fast, yes. Head start, yes. You got away barely. You lived to stroll through the forest yet another day, else you're not fast and you didn't get a head start. You never had a chance, the troll eats you. Break, default, console log. I didn't understand your choice. Hit and run, try again. This time picking fight, pay, or run. Okay. So it's those three scenarios. It has an or statement for each, strong or smart, money and dollars, and fast and head start. For the three different cases, fight, pay, and run. Then the default is be more articulate, essentially. Okay. Now that we have a good understanding of how the game functions, beautiful. We get a pop-up window. You're walking through the forest, minding your own business, and you run into a troll. Do you fight him, pay him, or run? Let's do fight. Now, I wonder if I need to do all capitals. I'm going to do all capitals like their answer has. Fight. Okay. How courageous? Are you strong? Yes or no? We'll do yes. Are you smart? Also yes. Not sure if I need to do capital yes or no. We're gonna stick with capital yes. Okay. You only need one of the two. You beat the troll. Nice work. Cool, cool. So let's close that. Let's play again. So that's the game. So we just set up multiple scenarios. Very short game. Okay. Okay. I gotcha. I gotcha. What's that, little cat? Oh, she's sleeping. Good. Good. D. You are walking through the forest, minding your own business, and you run into a troll. Do you fight him, pay him, or run? We are going to pay this time. Pay. Not all capitals. Okay. All right. We'll pay the troll. Do you have any money? Yes or no? If I say I have no money, then that negates the question, is your money in troll dollars? I wanted to say no to cash, but then it'll just die there. We have to say yes and then no. Because I want to say yes. Well, I want to do two yeses, then yes, then no. Technically, I want to do no, then yes. And then we'll do no and no for the last one. So they're forcing our hand. Yes, we do have money. Is your money in troll dollars? No, not. We only have Canadian pesos. Okay. There's no such thing as a Canadian peso. But there should be. Although I guess geographically a Canadian peso would essentially be any form of currency from the US. So, there's that. What happened? Dang, this troll only takes troll dollars. You get whomped. Lastly, we play again. You're walking through the forest, minding your own business. You run into a troll. Do you fight him, pay him, or run? Third option is run. Actually, we're going to do all lowercase for run. Last time we did capital pay, lowercase ay, capital P. This time, all lowercase, because we can. Let's book it. Are you fast? Yes or no? No. Shockingly slow. Do you get a head start? Ooh, we could say you're not fast and you never had a chance. You barely got away. So that or that. Interessante. Ah, and you know what? I was reflecting on the yes-no fiasco. I should have done... So for the first one for running, or for fighting, I did yes and yes, because it was an or. For the second scenario, for paying, it's an and. It's money equivalent to yes and dollars equivalent to yes. I thought it was or, and it didn't make sense in my mind, because obviously if you said, do you have any money? No, you wouldn't be able to say to their following question, is the money you don't have in troll dollars, right? That doesn't make sense. So it's an and, which does make sense for that. Gotcha. And run is back to or. So I should have done no's across the board for the pay. And then I should do no for head start. No for fast, and then yes for head start. That's okay. That's okay. Don't mind me thinking out loud. Crazy person's choice. I just wanted to use all the answers, all yeses across the board, half yes, half no, and then no's across the board for all three scenarios. Did you get a head start? No. No, you're not fast, and you didn't get a head start. You never had a chance. The troll eats you. Typical. Typical. Troll's on the Atkins diet. Human flesh and meat only. I don't know if that's actually the Atkins diet. Atkins is meat, right? Pretty sure it is. Irrelevant? Irrelevant. Now, we're going to type in our own thing. You're walking through the forest, minding your own business, and you run into a troll. Do you fight him, pay him, or run? We sneeze. Sneeze. I didn't understand your choice. Hit run and try again. This time, picking fight, pay, or run. Ta-da! Everything works. Everything works beautifully at that. Oh, right, we're back here. We're gonna do pay again. Pay. And, alright, we pay the troll. Do you have any money? Yes or no? Yes. And, is your money in troll dollars? Yes, it is. Ta-da, you paid the troll. You know what, one more? Just because it's fun, just because we can. Something about paying. What are we doing? What now? No, we're running. Run. Look at this. Are you fast? Yes or no? No. But, do you get a head start? Yes. Ta-da, you got away barely. You live to stroll through the forest another day. Alright, next lesson. Let's see what we've got going on. Okay. little kitty. Let's do this. Prompt. First, we'll start. No. That was a lie. Prompt. First, we'll need to use a prompt statement to ask our user what he or she wants to do. Recall that we use prompt like this: variable answer prompt and then a string in parentheses. We store the result of using prompt in a variable so we can use the user's response to influence what the program does. Instructions. It says nothing about yawning. Damn. Instructions. Prompt the user for input and store, but no, why? Instructions. Prompt the user for input and store it in a variable called user. You can ask anything. And why not try what's your name? Sure, we're going to copy their string, but that's it. Copy. Prompt the user, variable called user. Okay. Variable user equals prompt fantastic. What's your name? BDX Inc. Because we can do that. Next. .2 uppercase and .2 lowercase. You may have noticed us use the .2 uppercase function in the first exercise. We used it like this. Variable answer prompt. Oh no! Why? Con. Damn you. Okay. Question to the user. .2 uppercase. Cat, what are you doing with your claws? Thighs bleed. Remember that. Variable answer prompt question. .2 uppercase. Empty parentheses. Beautiful. This is something. This converted the user's answer to all caps before saving it in the answer variable. This helps eliminate problems that might crop up if your user typed in yes or yes. The input becomes all caps before we test, so we only have to test for all caps. You can also use .2 lowercase, which converts a string to all lowercase letters. Instructions. Call either .2 uppercase, .2 lowercase on your prompt to ensure that the input you get from the user is capitalized the way you expect. We will do .2 uppercase. Oh, parentheses, parentheticals. Nice. What's your name? Oh. I guess we should do all lowercase. I mean, after all, we're typing in BDX Inc. Let's do lowercase. Close that. Lower. Lowercase. There we go. Problem solved, and we'll do it in caps this time because we can. Oh, well, actually it has nothing to really compare check to, so kind of irrelevant. Next. Alright. Switch. Wow, 4 of 6. This is a lot quicker than we thought. Looks like we're doing section 6 today. Unless we get totally sidetracked with something. Okay, switch. Great work. Let's go something or other. Reading this stupid desk light. It's always blinding. It's just awful. Got cat fur and bright lights. Falling apart, man. It's like reading in a war zone. Switch. Great work. Now let's get to the heart of our game, the switch statement. Instructions. After your prompt, add a switch statement that will test for several different cases. That is, different possible user inputs. Create as many as you like. Do at least 3. Don't forget to include a default block at the end that will provide a response if the user's choice doesn't match one of your cases. I'll get a hint. Okay, beautiful. They've got all that stuff there. Hey, how about you stop using your claws in my lap? That would be really interesting, wouldn't it? Okay, remember switch works like this. Happy thoughts, beautiful. Yeah, I'll leave that open just in case, but I think we will go switch parentheses user You know, I can't remember if the switch statement itself has semicolons after it. We will check. You know what? They don't even have the ending curly brace. Weird. All right, well, if they aren't going to put it, then there probably isn't a semicolon if it's not that important to even put in the first place, right? That's what I'm thinking. Okay, we have 3 cases, 1 default. So we have case, colon, quotes, single quotes, colon, because the console log will use double quotes. Break. Is that good? That looks relatively okay. Followed by default. Default. Everyone's favorite flavor. Console.log and schmacklin. Okay. Everything seems mostly okay. What's your username? Oh my god. This is spectacular. Because this is Arrested Development. Variable, username, prompt, name, case, Buster. I can't even. It's just ridiculous. I haven't watched Arrested Development in at least like a solid year or 2. I need to watch it again on Netflix. But that's just spectacular. Anyways, Buster. Hey brother. Job. I've made a huge mistake. This is perfect. They've got everything. And Steve Holt. Hell yeah. Oh my god. I don't know you. This is just perfect. I think I kind of want to steal their examples. I think I'm going to have to steal it. No, we'll leave it. We'll leave it. But that is extraordinary that they put that in there. Tons of fun. All right. Let's see. What are we doing? We're doing. What's your name? Fuck. We just put names. We'll go back to our game references. We'll do Link and Mario. And we'll do Samus. Fox can take the bench. No, no. Fox. Because default. Samus is awesome. Alright, Link. Console log. This is soul crushing. Who just makes things on the spot? That's so strange. So what's your name? You know what it is? It's the context. It's how it let in. It's the create your own prompt. Far too much freedom. They were throwing in what's your name. This is good. Name, example. And then they've got a set of names. And then an I don't know you. We were faced with throwing your name from their suggested example. And now we've got game characters. So we're going to change this to favorite game character. No. What's your favorite game? That is not how you spell character at all. Wow, why is there a huge H in the middle of character? Someone was eating their Wheaties. Okay, what's your favorite game character? You've got Link. Yay. The Legend of Zelda. Yay for The Legend of Zelda. Mario. Woohoo. For Super Anything. And Fox. Star Fox. We need your help. Metroid is fun. Although we're asking game characters. Samus is awesome. Metroid is fun. Cool. We have our stuff, ideally. Favorite game character. You know, that's interesting, because we have it set to lowercase. So I think this is going to die on impact, because we should have done We should have done other stuff. Let's cancel this. It's going to spit up red. Beautiful, beautiful. Mario. Fox. Uppercase. Definitely uppercase. Uppercase, and we're good. Now it will work. It's the context of the question in the game. We were struggling with that. What's your favorite game character? Let's do Link. And in all lowercase, because we can. Ta-da! Yay for The Legend of Zelda. Look at that. Look at that. Close. We'll run it again. Favorite game character. We'll do Fox. Star Fox, we need your help. And we'll do not sure. What's your favorite game character? Not sure. Samus is awesome. Metroid is fun. See, these are true statements. All true statements. Okay, section 5, logical operators. Good, now let's spice things up with some logical operators. Add some if-else statements to your case that check and see whether one condition and another are true, as well as one condition or another condition are true. Use and in the vertical bars / pipe at least one time each. See their hint. Now, did they keep the Steve Holt Arrested Development theme? No, so they've been switching. That's the other issue. Their hints have been varied, which I guess is good in general. But it skewed us from going from a game to, we'll just call it more of a program in general. But that's okay. That is okay. Functions exactly the same way. Instructions. Add some if-else statements to your cases that check to see whether one condition and another are true. So we have case blah. If the condition, then curly braces. Else something. Do we have to do if-else? Add some if-else statements. So they are going to have to be if-else statements. One or, one and. Technically, we don't need to do anything else. We can just do two. Okay. We're going to do that. We are going to do that. Link if blank and blank. Where'd it go? The ampersand. There we go. If blank and blank, curly brace, there's that, else, remaining curly brace, closing break, or closing curly brace, and there's also this guy. Nope, that dude. These also need to bump forward. Console log. Starting to expand. If you were concerned about this, we're on 5 of 6. We're still going uphill. Console log. Console log something. Okay. What do we need? We need blank equals that. Case length. Variable blah and variable blah. How would we do that? We'd use this again. This is really gonna bloat up for code. Blank and blank. So if is Gannon contain, oh, that's not how you spell contain. Contained is Gannon contained. Do 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 do. Is Gannon contained and do we'll call it master sword prompt. Do you have the master sword? Then you need to save Hyrule. Okay, otherwise, Hyrule is doomed. There we go. Look at this. Okay, so that's gonna be your general one. So we're gonna copy this dude. About Ganon. I guess just once more. And master sword. And you know, we'll type it out. We'll type it out. We can do it. We're not breaking a sweat. So console variable if condition pipe curly brace variables. We will steal this though. Else console log copy. Okay, we'll call one mushroom. Mushroom. Did you find a mushroom? Did you find a mushroom? And variable, or we do, did you find Yoshi or did you find a pipe? I think Yoshi. Did you find Yoshi? Oh god, just kidding. Haha, that was a lie. That was a big fat lie, Yoshi. Oh, and I should have it lowercase, shouldn't I? Yoshi. No, no Hogwarts. Hogwarts is for winners. Right now, we are working on the Mushroom Kingdom, damn it. Did you find Yoshi? Okay. Did you find a mushroom? You become Super Mario. And did you find Yoshi? Wait. Blank or blank. It's something equals yes. So it's you, 1, 2, 3, is getting contained. Yes. Did you find the Master Sword? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Mushroom. 1, 2, 3. Yes. And Yoshi. 1, 2, 3. Hashtags and titles and if you're gonna want to get viewers on Create, you're gonna want to join a Create community via your dashboard. Hashtags in the title isn't enough. Oh yeah, I've seen the community thing. I need to throw myself into probably like programming or something like that. But yes, or creative. Oh wait, you mean have they eliminated the hashtag feature? Because before it would be, what is it? Hashtag creative and then hashtag programming. That would throw you into the programming section. Have they obliterated that functionality now that they've implemented? Oh, yes. Good to know. Thank you. I will be sure to do that. I had no idea. Yeah, because it's been that way for, what, at least a couple weeks, maybe even like a month now? Probably close to a month that they've had communities. Even a little longer for those people who had access to the beta. Gotcha. Okay. I will be sure to do that. Thank you for the handy tip. I greatly appreciate that. Alright, what were we doing? We were trying to figure out where Yoshi was involved. Ah, yes. Yoshi. Single quotes. Also yes. Very basic, but we're slowly getting the point across. Okay. You become Super Mario. Did you find Yoshi? You found the most deadly beast in the video game universe. Wahahahaha. Spectacular. We might be overselling Yoshi's capabilities, but, you know, someone's got to do it. Okay. I think that's all we needed to pass the activity. And we should be good. Do. Fire away. Okay, we get the pop-up window. What's your favorite game character? Let's throw in Link. Brings up the next one. Is Ganon contained? Yes, he is. Do you have the Master Sword? We do. Yes. Da-da-da-da. You need to save Hyrule. Hot damn it. Worked, ladies and gentlemen. It worked. Let's close that. Let's try once more. Save and submit. What's your favorite game character? Let's do Mario. Did you find a mushroom? No, we did not. We did not. Did you find Yoshi? We did. Yes. Damn, you've become. We messed up. We need to fix that. You become Super Mario. Liar. You've become a liar. That's what you've become. Damn you. So if blank or blank, You know what? I think they only had one outcome. This has been saved. I want to look at the first activity. What you'll be building. What's that, little cat? Nope, still sleeping? Okay, good. We had ors. So if strong or smart, console log, else console log. Blank or blank, then you'll get this. So either one was yes or no. So in my scenario, I'll actually need to separate it. They wanted two conditions, either or, to get this first string to the console log. Otherwise, you suck across the board. So for me, I would actually have two different. So from there, I would have a subset, another like an else if statement within it. Just for how I want it to play out. Bastards. Logical operators. Okay, you know what? Well, we can remedy it. We can get rid of Yoshi's the greatest, and from here, you need to save the Mushroom Kingdom. No, we're gonna do the Mushroom Kingdom is doomed. Is super doomed. Get it, Super Mario, but super doomed. Fantastic. Very grim. Love it. Super doomed. very grim, very grim. But here, did you get a mushroom? Yes. Or did you get Yoshi? Yes. Awesome. Keep killing those Goombas. Spectacular. From the top, David Smith, what's your favorite game character? Mario. Did you find a mushroom? No, we didn't. But did you find Yoshi? Yes. We did in fact find Yoshi. Keep killing those Goombas. Beautiful. Beautiful. And once more, just for fun, we're going to say no to everything across the board on Mario. No, we don't have a mushroom. And no, we didn't find Yoshi. The Mushroom Kingdom is super doomed. Because Mario is no longer super. Unfortunate. You did it. That's it. You've created better code. No. That's it. You've created a better code your own adventure game using a switch statement and the logical operators and or. At this rate, you'll have your own game company in no time. Feel free to add additional cases to your switch. More if-else branches, or additional prompts to expand your game. Instructions. Click the Save and Submit code to play your new game. When you're ready, head on to the next JavaScript lesson, Arrays and Data Structures. It sounds cool. It's cooler than it sounds, we promise. Well, that's good to know. Alright, you know what, let's check the time. That swelled into a slightly longer stream than anticipated. Yeah, we're at 52 minutes. I think that's good for today. For all things considered. We're gonna back out. We're gonna see where we stand. No, just kidding. Yeah, I didn't hit save and submit. I apologize. Go back. Section 6. Here. What? Hi there. This version of JavaScript course is being taken down summer 2017. We recommend you try our new JavaScript course. Please read our blog post information. Oh my god, this is like in Majora's Mask. The moon is impending on us. They are going to be getting rid of this rather soon. This is bad. This is bad. We're going to open up new JavaScript. We still need to finish Code Our Own Adventure. We're on section 6. We need to hit the complete button. Good. Game character. We're going to do no idea. No. We're going to do... We'll do no idea. No idea. Okay. We already succeeded. Samus is awesome. Metroid is fun. Beautiful. Choose your own adventure too. In the bag. We got that. Let's close this. Next. Up next, arrays and objects in JavaScript. In this course, we'll cover some of the most powerful features of JavaScript in greater detail. We'll review arrays, create arrays of arrays, and begin learning about a new data structure, objects. Start lesson. Alright. How many sections are in this? 17. I'm trying to figure out if we should go ahead and do this now. We should tackle this now. This is difficult. Not sure. Not sure at all. Alright, let's look at this though. JavaScript. What the deuce is this? Oh, that was learn JavaScript is dying. Okay. Close. Alright. Let's back out. Let's see where we stand. We may come back to this. 62% of the way through. Ooh. 942 points. And 129 badges. We're gonna save it for tomorrow. Are we gonna save it for tomorrow? No. No, we're not gonna save it for tomorrow. F that noise. We're gonna fight on. We are continuing. We are continuing. Because we can do that. Little cat. You're adorable. No. No. We're gonna wait. We are gonna save it for tomorrow. Very indecisive right now. This is... Usually it's not this difficult. We're gonna save it for tomorrow. We're concluding day 80 here. We're concluding day 80 here. Because that means we have, let's get back to JavaScript. We've got 3 more sections. Section 6, data structures, which will be arrays and objects in JavaScript and contact lists. Then we have objects, introduction to objects and building an address book. And then lastly, we have objects 2, introduction to objects 2 and building a cash register. Pretty cool. And 9 doesn't exist. That's one of the paid for activities. So we're on the free adventure. Okay. We're gonna save data structures for tomorrow. We're gonna open that whole can of worms on a new day. So with that said, we are backing out. We are backing out. D. Day 80 does come to an end. 129 badges in the bag. Beautiful. Let's go to here. OBS. Stop streaming. Are you sure you want to stop streaming? Hell yeah. Kill it.